Next, we have the step up. Once you graduate to the step up, if you were doing assisted step ups, we could still have this post or whatever you were using as assistance next to you, just in case you lose balance or it gets too challenging, or you just trip over the box as you're stepping up on the box. So bringing one foot on top of the platform, using the leg that you stepped up onto or stepped up with, to mainly push your body up or pull your body up. All the way up, standing tall, and going right back down exactly the same way that you came up. So that's one fault that we will see is, like I said, we're trying to use the leg or the foot that's on top of the box to mainly pull your body forward. But as you get tired, or if the box is too high, or if your leg isn't strong enough to pull you up, you'll see people jump up with this back leg to get up there and land hard because they can't control it with this leg that's on top of the box. So if you end up jumping up, you're not necessarily using this leg to pull your body up. You might be strengthening the leg that's jumping up. And when you go down without control with this top leg, then you could put a little bit more pressure or trauma or impact onto the landing foot, the ankle, the knee, the hip. You might aggravate your lower back. So there's a lot of things that could happen when we, as beginners, aren't careful with our speed and control for exercises. So that is the step up, using the foot that we stepped up with as the main source of energy to pull your body up and control your body going down.